Let me show you how product matching conditions work and how to set them up so your size chart appears on the right products. This way of applying the size chart to your products is very useful if you have different sizing for various product types like t-shirts, shoes, or different brands. So let's get started. When you create a new size chart in the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender app, you see the product matching conditions section on the right-hand side of your screen. At first, no conditions are set, meaning this size chart won't automatically attach to any products, but we'll fix that in a second. To get started, click Add New Matching Condition. A menu will pop up letting you decide how to match products to this size chart. You have a few options. Individual products is great for unique sizing needs. Collections if you've already grouped similar products. Product types like t-shirts, hoodies, or shoes. Product vendors, perfect for brand-specific sizing. Product tags are useful if you categorize products with tags. Then lastly, we have all the products. Pick what works best for your setup. In addition to that, you can even add multiple conditions. Now here's an important choice. Do you want your conditions to work with any or all? For match any, if a product meets at least one of your conditions, it gets the size chart. For example, if you want a chart to apply to either t-shirts or hoodies, any will work since the product only needs to match one condition. With match all, a product must meet every condition you set. This is great for more specific matches. So for example, if you sell shoes from different brands and want each brand to have its own size chart, you'd choose all and then set conditions like product type, shoes, and vendor, brand X. That way, this chart only applies to brand X shoes, and you can create separate charts for other. Here are some extra tips for you. You can actually create negative conditions using the is or is not options. This is the perfect feature to use if you don't want a certain product included. The app also estimates how many products match your conditions, so you can double check if it's working as expected. That's it. Now you know how to control which products display the right size charts.